Hi everyone, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to replace your electric scooter motor. First, remove the deck screws. Then remove the deck. Don't forget to disconnect the battery discharge connector first. Next, locate the motor cable. Unplug the Hall sensor connector. Remove the screws securing the motor cable one by one. Press the Hall sensor connector tab and unplug it. The raised part in the picture is the Hall connector latch. Remember the Hall wire color order. Next, remove the fender screws and take off the fender. Pry off the cap and remove the swing arm nut. Remove the motor and place it down carefully. Carefully pull the motor cable out through the rear opening. Now remove the motor mounting screws. Remove the motor from the tire. Place the new motor into the tire. Tighten the screws diagonally in a crisscross pattern for easier installation. Feed the motor cable back in through the rear opening. Finally, mount the motor wheel back onto the swing arm. Don't forget to reinstall the cap. Reconnect the Hall wires in the same order as before. Plug in the Hall connectors one by one in the original order. Connect the motor wires by matching the wire colors. Then reconnect the motor power cable. Power on and test whether the motor works properly. After confirming everything is working, reinstall the deck and tighten the screws. Finally, reinstall the fender. This concludes our tutorial. If you encounter any issues during the replacement process, please contact our support team. Our technical professionals will provide solutions to ensure your scooter operates smoothly. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.